Good morning, children. Today we will be starting exercise 2.6. Previously, we have solved exercise 2.1, 2.3, and 2.5. Now we will be doing 2.6, where it says solve the following linear equation. As the statement says, here in question number 1, it says 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equals to 2. We have to solve it. Now, in the form of a upon b, what we will do? We will cross multiply. Put 1 here and cross multiply. Always put the bracket when you are doing the cross multiplication. Now solve it. 8x minus 3 into 1, same term. 8x minus 3, 2 into 3 is 6x. Transposing 6x to the left hand side minus 3 to the right hand side. Plus 6x will change into minus. Minus 3 will change into plus. Now do the subtraction. 8x minus 6x, 2x. 2x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 upon 2, or we can say that x is 1 upon 2. So that will be our answer. Cross multiplying, transposing and simplifying, that will be our answer. We do not need to verify here, only they say solve the equation. Now I am doing question number 2. Again it says 9x upon 7 minus 6x is equals to 15. Put the denominator 1 and cross multiply. Just see, 9x into 1, 15 into 7 minus 6x. We have put the bracket so that we can multiply each term. 9x into 1, that is equals to 9x. 15 into 7, 105. 15 into 6, 90x. Because 15 is in multiply, it will be multiplied with the both the terms. Clear, my dear children? Now 9x minus 90 will be transposed to the left hand side. It will change into plus. 90x is equals to 105. Now 90 plus 9x, that will be equals to 99x is equals to 105. Now these are in multiply. When transposing, 99 will be in the divided sign along the right hand side. So do the cutting. 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9, 3 3 9, or 1 10, 3 5 50. X is equals to 35 upon 33, or we can say that 1 2 upon 33. Both will be the correct answers. Hope this is clear. Okay, now we are solving question number 4 of the same exercise 2.6. Here numerator over denominator variables, and here is the constant term. What we will do? Again the method of cross multiplication. Just see, 3y plus 4 bracket closed into 5 equal to minus 2 sign bracket start 2 minus 6y. That's why whenever cross multiply we say put the brackets properly. Now do the multiplication with each term. 5 3 is 15y, 5 plus 4 20, minus 2 into 2 4, 2 6 12. Now understand here, minus minus plus, sign will be plus. Now transposing variables along one side and constant term along other side. 15y plus will change into minus. Minus 4 plus will change into minus. 15 minus 12. 3y. 20 plus 4, 24. Clear, children? So what will be the value? It is in multiplication. On the right hand side it will be divided upon 3. 3 1s 3, 3 8 24. The value of y comes out to be minus 8. That is our answer. So we are now solving question number 5. It is again 7y plus 4 over y plus 2 is equals to minus 4 upon 3. Do the cross multiplication. 3 into 7y plus 4 is equals to minus 4 into y plus 2. 3 7 21y plus 3 4 12 is equals to minus 4y minus 4 2. Clear, children? 21y plus 4y is equals to minus 8 minus 12. 21 plus 4, 25y minus 20. Y comes out to be, now this plus 25, it's in multiplication, it will be divided. Y is equals to minus 20 upon 25. Now do the cutting. 5 4 is 20, 5 5 25. So y comes out to be minus 4 upon 5. So that will be our answer. Okay, children, so we have finished the part. Question number 3 you will do in homework. Now we are doing some practice question. These are for your practice and understand them how the equations are solved. Here again, these are mixed problem. Practice question. 4m minus 3 upon 7 is equals to 11. Again 11 upon 1 you can do the cross multiplication. 4m minus 3 into 1 is equals to 11 into 7. 4m minus 3 is equals to 11 7 77. 4m plus minus 3 will change into, when transposing to other side, plus 4m is 80. 77 plus 3, so m comes out to be 80 upon 4, that is m is equals to 20. Similarly, we are solving the now question number 2. 0.5x plus 7.5 is equals to 11.5. Transposing 0.5x plus will change into minus 0.5x is equals to 11.5 minus 7.5, 4.0. So x comes out to be 4 upon 0.5, because multiply will be changed into divide. Now remove the decimal part. 5 upon 10, x is equals to 4 into 10 upon 5. 5 1 5, 5 2 is 10. So x comes out to be 4 2 is 8. So that is our answer. Moving on to two more practice sums. Question number 3. 3 into x minus 2 is equals to 15. Here it is simplified. Just multiply 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 2, 6 is equals to 15. So 3x is equals to 15 plus 6, 21. 3x is equals to 21. Now what you will do? Divide by 3. 21 upon 3. 3 7 21. X is equals to 7 is our answer. You can from the start divide 15 by 3. The answer will be same. Now another important part, question number 4. It says 4x plus 1 over 3 minus x minus 2 over 3 is equals to 9. Along the left hand side, first of all take LCM. LCM comes out to be 3. So 4x plus 1 minus x minus 2 is equals to 9. Now change the sign wherever necessary. Minus minus plus, minus plus minus. 9 into 3, it will be multiplied. Divide will change into multiplication. Now solve it. 4x minus x, 3x. 2 plus 1 is 3. 9 into 3, 27. This 3 will go along the right hand side. Sign will be changed. So 3x is equals to 27 minus 3. 24. X comes out to be 24 upon 3. 3 8 24. So x is equals to 8 is the answer. So I hope the concept of solving equation is clear to you. Now we will be starting with our next topic of solving linear equations in statement forms.